Hi everyone! Good afternoon. So, wag na natin patagalin. Welcome to Leluno Tarot. So, long time no see sa inyo lahat. So, matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-upload again. Meron lang akong mga inayos. So, ngayon, gawa tayo ng general love reading about your love life. Okay? So, collective love reading ito. Ito titingnan natin. So, unahin natin sa ating Message of Love Oracle deck kung ano yung ganap ngayon sa inyong love life. Collective po ito. So, take what's resonate, leave the rest. Kung hindi mag-resonate, huwag pong ipilit. Okay. General love reading for my collective. Give me cards. Uy. Reunion, self-love, unappreciated, value. Uy! For some of you, someone wants to come back. Okay. For some of you, someone is, with the reunion card, you will always come back to each other. Someone wants to come back sa'yo. Okay? Sa aking mga collective. Pero, maybe, for some of you, yung iba sa inyo, especially sa ating mga kababaihan, you're in a self-love journey right now, which is, I'm still trying to heal, okay? You are healing, okay? You are still healing. Someone here is feeling unappreciated. Hindi napahalagahan. With the value card, we have too many differences. Siguro, meron ako dito nakikita na for some of you, you will reject someone na gusto makipagbalikan sa inyo. Kasi mas pipiliin ninyong mahalin muna yung sarili ninyo kasi feeling niyo na this person, hindi ka pinahalagahan. You feel unappreciated with this person. Kasi feeling mo, itong person na to is walang pakialam sa'yo. Okay? And maybe, someone is regretting. Someone is regretting doon sa actions niya from the past. Or doon sa actions na ginawa niya towards you. Kasi maybe, siguro, once upon a time is minahal mo din naman tong person na to. Pero right now, you choose yourself. Meron akong nakita sa inyo na yung iba sa inyo is pinipili muna yung sarili nila. Oo. You are in a self-love journey. Kasi nga, you feel in love with this person. O pwede sigurong busy to sa paghanap ng pera, o mas inuuna nito ang pera, mas inuuna nito ang, meron ako nakita dito mas inuna ang career. Yung iba, inuna nito yung pagkakaperahan, or mas pinili nito, mas pinapahalagahan nito, mas pinaglalaanan niya ng oras, yung money. Okay? And siguro, hindi kanya pinapahalagahan or hindi kanya pinagtutuunan ng pansin. Mistakes. I wish I could right my wrongs. Di ba? Someone here is wishing na sana, kanina di ba? Bottom of the deck is regret. Someone is regretting and wishing na sana maitama niya yung pagkakamali niya. Kaya there is a reunion na magaganap kasi someone is coming back to other person. Kasi gusto niyang bumawi. And maybe siguro itong someone na to is alam niya na may pagkukulang siya doon sa other person. Gusto niyang itama yung pagkakamali niya. Yung pagkukulang niya. And meron akong narinig na this person or this masculine or this feminine, vice versa, guys, take what's resonate, realizes na ikaw naman talaga yung nasa tabi niya. Okay? Sinuportahan mo siya. Kaya siguro, kahit papano is naging okay siya financially. Okay? Reflection. Being away from you has allowed me to gain clarity. Anong sinabi ko? Someone is na-realize. Someone is na-realize niya na nagkamali siya. Mistakes. Nagkamali. And gusto niyang itama yung pagkakamali niya, kaya gusto niyang bumalik. Magkaroon ng reunion between the two of you. Okay? Nag-reflect. Being away from you has allowed to gain clarity. May breakup na naganap dito. Meron akong malakas ditong nakikita na this person na gustong bumalik sa'yo is from the past. Okay? May breakup dito na nangyari, may paghihiwalay na nangyari dito. Space. I need more time to think. Okay? Someone here, especially sa ating mga kababaihan, nagdesisyon ka ng quits with this person. Ikaw, maybe for some of you, malaki ang chance na ikaw ang nakipaghiwalay dito sa person na to kasi you feel unappreciated. You feel na mas pinapahalagahan nito yung pera or yung trabaho or anything. Kaya ka nag-self-love journey ngayon, you ask for space. I need more time to think. Okay? Someone here wants to come back, wants to reunite with you. Okay? Kasi nakapag-reflect tong person na to eh. Mali yung ginawa niya. Gusto niyang itama yung pagkakamali niya. This is a past person. May separation dito. Shadow side. You made me realize my flaw. Pinarealize mo dito sa person na to kung ano yung pagkakamali niya. Kasi inilayo mo yung sarili mo, tinanggal mo yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Umalis ka, yung iba sa inyo po pwedeng umalis, lumayo, nag-no contact, nag-silent mode, okay? As in totally, no communication ang ginawa mo dito sa person na to. And nakatulong yon ng malaki para ma-realize itong person na to kung ano yung ginawa niya. Kung ano yung pagkukulang niya sa'yo. Naparealize mo sa kanya kung ano yung dapat niyang makita sa sarili niya. Kung bakit nagkaroon ng separation between the two of you. Bottom of the deck is detachment. I had to let this go so I could clear my mind. You detach yourself with this person. Yes, confirmation, you detach yourself dito sa person na to. Nag-no contact ka. Nag-self-love ka. Nag-walk away ka, nag-let go ka. Nag-focus ka sa sarili mo. Kaya itong person na to, gustong bumalik, gustong mapag-reunite sa'yo para itama yung pagkakamali niya. Kasi nagkaroon to ng realization kung ano yung pagkakamali niya, pagkukulang niya sa'yo. Yes? Ego. I let my pride get in the way of our connection. O pwedeng tong person na to is mataas ang ego, malaki ang ego, ma-pride. Siguro ayaw humingi ng sorry, hindi marunong mag-sorry, kahit na siya ang may kasalanan. Okay. Responsibilities. I have to take care of my financial and emotional needs. Ano sinabi ko sa inyo? This person choose to unahin yung pera. Ha? Unahin yung pera. For some of you, this person is a single mom, a single dad, or pwedeng may responsibility. O pwedeng pamilyado, or divorcee, it can be, or separated. Or sabihin na lang natin literally responsibility lang. Financial. Oh. This person will chase you. I don't want to chase anymore. Reciprocity. I want to have equal give and take. O pwedeng ikaw to, na gusto mo ng equal give and take. Okay? Yun siguro yung hinahanap mo. Equal give and take at ayaw mo nung one-sided lang. Okay? I don't want to chase anymore. Pwedeng yung isa dito, yung meron ako nakikita dito na yung iba sa inyo ha, yung iilan sa inyo is this person na-realize niya na hindi ka na babalik sa kanya. Yung iba sa inyo na-realize niya na ayaw mo na. And yung itong person na to is napagod na. Okay? Hindi na mag-chase. Neglected card. I failed to give you what you need. Kasi alam naman niya eh. Alam naman niya na nineglect ka niya. Okay? Alam niya na neglect ka niya. Maybe, yung iba sa inyo, kasi this person is wishing that sana matama nyo kung ano yung pagkakamali niya. And maybe, siguro yung iba sa inyo, there is no turning back na. Ayaw nyo na dito sa person na to. Mataas ang sa mga feminine natin dito, meron akong nakita na mataas ang self-love ninyo sa sarili ninyo. And ayaw mo nung minimal effort lang or yung hindi ka pinagtutuunan ng time. Ayaw ninyo ng ganon. Gusto ninyo yung equal give and take with the equal give and take card. With the reciprocity card. Gusto ninyo yung equal give and take eh. Ayaw ninyo yung one-sided love lang. And maybe this person is napagod na. Okay? Or, siguro before, nung hindi nyo pa natututunan yung self-love, nung wala pa kayo sa self-love journey, siguro kayo yung chaser before. Okay? Kayo yung chaser before. Kayo yung nakikiusap na paglaanan kanya ng time, nakikiusap ka sa kanya na ikaw na what I mean is makipag-communicate siya, ikaw yung laging gumagawa ng move. Okay? Para makipag-communicate dito sa person na to. Yet itong person na to is hindi ka naman pinaglalaanan ng oras. Okay? So kuha pa tayo ng another oracle deck. True emotions. Yung iba sa inyo, there is no turning back. Ayaw nyo na. Napagod na kayo siguro. Na-realize niyo na, walang patutunguhan yung connections mo with this person. Okay. So, last card, bago natin i-end yung ating short collective reading, love reading. True emotions ang ating collective. Or sana makuha natin yung emotion nitong person na to. Oy, yung iba sa inyo is very attractive right now kasi nasa self-love journey kayo ngayon. May glow up na nangyari. Kasi, natutunan ninyong mahalin yung sarili ninyo. May glow up akong nakikita dito. Romance and too late card. Anong sabi ko? Too late. It's too late. Narinig ko yung apologize by One Republic. It's too late to it's too late to apologize. Okay. It's too late. Oh my gosh. Pakinggan nyo yun. Apologize by One Republic yata yung hindi ko nagkakamali. Yung iba sa inyo narinig ko sinabi, it's too late. Backstab. Pain, cheating, deception, mind games, love bomb. Oy, it can be this person, backstab you. Oh. Mahilig mag-mind games, mahilig mag-love bomb. Kaya, sinusuyo ka nito ngayon, nilalove bomb ka niya. Yung iba sa inyo, wala kang tiwala dito sa person na to. Hustle. Side hustle. Itong person na to, maraming responsibility. Not happy. Hindi ka masaya dito sa person na to. Kasi sobrang dami ng responsibility nito. Divine Feminine. You are a Divine Feminine. Kung sino man yung nanonood ngayon, you are a Divine Feminine. Spiritual person. A very feminine, magaganda. Okay? May glow up ako nakikita dito. Hindi lang physically, pati sa spiritual. Queen Bee. Oh, this person is struggling on finances. Meron ako nakikita. Kasi ang dami itong responsibility. Siguro na-realize ito yung worth mo right now. Kasi siguro you are in your Queen Bee mode. You're a secure, confident boss bitch, career focus. You are focused on your career right now. Ha? Sa ating mga Divine Feminine na alpha, female, hi sa inyo. Fake busy. No. This person, side hustle, may time naman to kung gugustuhin niya Okay? And maybe this person is hindi ka nga pinaglaanan ng oras. Meron akong nakita dito na maybe yung iba sa inyo, chaser, kayo nag-chase sa kanya before. Oo. Bad credit. Debt, unemployed. O, di ba? Pero ako nakikita dito na for some of you, sa ating mga Divine Feminine right now, you are a very stable person. You are a career-focused person ngayon. You are in a self-love journey right now, okay? You are a independent person, okay? Financially stable right now, okay? And maybe this person wants to come back kasi siguro yung level up is nakita niya sa'yo, na-realize niya na without you is hindi siya what I mean is, hindi siya magiging financially okay. Kasi siguro, tinulungan mo to Tinulungan mo tong person na to. And maybe, yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nakuha na nagkaroon kayo ng, nagkanda utang-utang ka dahil dito sa person na to. Or, literally, this person is maraming responsibility. Huh? And maybe this person is unemployed right now. This person is not happy. Struggling tong person na to. Getting readings. Uy. Maybe this person is nanonood ng mga tarot readings, or pwedeng for some of you, sa aking mga nanonood is you are a spiritual person and you can be a tarot reader also, or spiritual person ka. Oops. Off and on, hot and cold, detached, ghosted. Oh. This person is hot and cold. Meron ako nakita na for some of you, this person wants to be chased. Ano to eh? Mahilig to ng mind games. Gusto nito yung hinahabol siya. Alam niya kung paano i-mind games ang isang person. Pwede this person is a good-looking person and ginagamit niya yon. Okay? Ginagamit niya yon para pahabulin. Okay? Yung other person sa kanya. It can be, ha? O, diba? Sweet talk. Right? This is a Don Romantico, a sweet talk, a Don Juan. Doon ako nakikita dito. Sweet talker to. Meron ako nakita na yung iba sa inyo, this is a narcissist person. O, diba? Kanina chaser, ngayon running. Fairy tale. Oh my gosh! Phony, trickster, illusion. Oh, for some of you, this is a trickster. This is a trickster, sorry ah. Ano to? Illusions yung binigay niya sa'yo. Nagkaroon ka ng spiritual awakening with this person. Meron ako nakita dito na this is a narcissist. Okay, a trickster. Yes. A pony. Illusions. A fairy tale. Maybe siguro, this person is nilabam ka nito. Para sa inyo na confused kung sino tong person na to, ang mga clue dito na makukuha ninyo na this person is a sweet talker, a phony, a trickster, an illusions, an illusionist. Ito yung pinakita, ito yung person na nung nililigawan niya kayo, pinapakita niya sa'yo na wala siyang red flag. Pinapakita niya sa'yo na siya yung right person. Pinapakita niya sa'yo na siya yung divine masculine. Meron ako nakita na for some of you, this is a user. User financially. Yes. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro nagkanda utang-utang ka, ginost ka na nito. This is a backstabber also. Meron ako nakita dito na naiinggit to sa'yo. Ay, hindi maganda yung ano nito. Hindi maganda ang energy nito. Hindi maganda ang energy nito, guys. Ha? If you're in a self-love journey right now, stay on your track. Okay? Stay on your track. Gagawin ito lahat eh. Gagawin ito lahat, maybe, or maybe, siguro, ini-spy ka pa rin ito through readings, tarot readings, okay? This is a phony, a fake person. O pwedeng yung apologies niya na gustong sabihin sa'yo with the, ano ba to? Yung apologies na gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo, ito with the mistakes card, I wish I could right my wrongs. Meron akong nakita na for some of you, this is ikaw to. Yung iba sa inyo, meron akong nakita na ikaw to, nagkamali ka dito sa person na to. You realize na nagkamali ka dito sa person na to. Walang reciprocity na nangyari between the two of you with this person. This is an egoistic kind of a person. Okay? And maybe this person is the reason why nagkaroon ka ng spiritual awakening. You realize your flaw. You realize kung ano yung mga kailangan mong i-work out sa sarili mo. Okay? Na-realize mo kung ano yung kailangan mong what I mean is ayusin sa life mo. This person is the reason behind your self-love journey. Kasi pwedeng this person triggers you. Walang reciprocity na naganap. Pwedeng pinarahan ka nito. Okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. This person wants to come back. Okay? Kasi maybe this person is nahihirapan sa buhay niya right now. And maybe ikaw as a boss bitch, you are don't mind na sa kanya. Ayaw mo na dito sa person na to. Pero this person wants to come back. Why? Kasi you learned your lesson. Gusto humingi ng tulong itong person na to sa'yo. Okay? Kasi nahihirapan to financially. This person cannot be trusted kasi this is a backstabber. It can be, nilagay ka dito sa third party with the cheating card. Okay? So, pwede sigurong ginawan ka pa ng spell nito. Pinressure ka nito sa responsibility. Okay? So, take what's resonate, guys. So, yun yung collective reading natin for today. May person na still wants to come back. So, this person cannot be trusted. Okay? Continue your self-love journey. Self-love, sa sarili mo, i-continue mo yon. Huwag kang papa-apekto. Okay? Kasi mamaya kontakin ka nitong person na to para guluhin ulit yung isip mo. Okay? Pero yung iba sa inyo, nakikita ko naman na ayaw nyo na dito sa person na to eh. Meron akong nakikita na ayaw nyo na sa person na to. So, continue to work on yourself. Okay? So, pwede tayong mag-pull ng future self-love or future higher self natin na card. So, tingnan natin. Pull lang tayo ng 3 para sa inyo. Advice for my collective. Tingnan natin kung ano sasabihin ng inyong higher self sa inyo, guys. 3 card for my collective. Yung iba sa inyo, you learn to protect yourself na natuto kayong protektahan yung sarili ninyo spiritually. Kasi meron akong nakita sa inyo yung for some of you is O pwedeng siguro may love spell na nangyari dito or ginagawan ka nito ng spell kasi alam nitong person na to na hindi ka nababalik sa kanya. Oo. Kuha tayo ng 3 card for your self-love advice. Energy activation. Connect to the divine through meditation or prayer. Kanina, yung meditation card is lumabas. So, yung iba sa inyo is spiritual person na right now and you learn to protect yourself. Okay, strength, determination, perseverance, and self-discovery. For some of you, you are a very malakas ka na person. Malakas ka na person spiritually. You learn to protect yourself with this person. Decisions. The need to gain clarity through decision making. Okay, for some of you, kailangan firm ka sa boundary mo. Okay? Pag bumalik tong person na to, kailangan firm, matibay yung boundary mo sa sarili mo. Huwag kang clouded ng judgment. Huwag kang maguluhan. Huwag kang papadala sa sasabihin nitong person na to. Okay? So, ito lang yung ating reading for my collective right now. So, antayin ninyo yung ating pick a card reading na gagawin after this one. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Please like and share this video. Comment down below if nag-resonate sa inyo to. Okay? So, again, maraming salamat sa patuloy na nanonood. Pagpasensya nyo na kung matagal akong hindi nakapag-upload. Okay? So, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Happy Thursday. Asahan niyo yung mga next upload pa this weekends. Promise, mag-upload ako ng mga video ngayong weekend. Okay, maraming salamat. Di ko napapatagalin. Bye!